couple of weeks after wedding can be overwhelming and surreal. You will be surrounded by relatives, friends, and most of them will be meeting you for the first time. Everyone wants to see you and talk to you. No matter what, you will cherish all these moments forever. Your husband will find extraordinary ways to surprise you and pamper you. My husband gave me a beautiful ring after wedding which I still wear and I totally love it. Surprisingly, around my anniversary, I was approached by a brand called Esdomera for a review. And when I checked their website, I was jumping with joy. They have stunning collection of engagement rings. Packaging is amazing. The blue box has this fabric cover, a warranty card, and ring case. Esdomera offer lifetime warranty card for this stone. The ring is made from Moissanite, conflict-free and just as durable as a diamond. When I received the ring, I took it to the local jeweler and tested it. It's real Moissanite. So now let's get ready for the meet and greet as a new bride. If you want to see this makeup tutorial, I have put the link on the screen, or you can check the description box below. So now it's time to pick our outfit. So this is going to be my first choice, this beautiful deep green color suit. Now let's pick our jewelry. Anything which has kundan in it is my absolute favorite. It gives you that royal look and I totally love wearing kundan jewelry. This one is from Esdomera. But I'm forgetting something. It's time to wear the most precious thing. But no, oh stop. Make sure that you moisturize your hands because we do so much for our face, neck and other body parts that we completely ignore our hands, and that can make your hands age faster. A Moissanite is a lab created stone which is alternative to diamond. It's more ethical and affordable. This ring is only for the 1/10 of the price of the same size of diamond ring. Esdomera Moissanite is in color DEF, which comes with lifetime warranty card. It's the best quality of Moissanite I can find in the market. This monochromatic look is best to make you look slim and tall. We all want that, isn't it? I picked this color intentionally because it will not just make you glow, but also make your chura and sindoor shine even more. So what do you guys think of this look? Do let me know in the comment section below. For more pictures, videos and updates, please follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is girlsbeautyx. Now let's move on to our second outfit. It's in the color called champagne. This is one of the trending colors. I wear churidar with this, but since I wanted to add a newlywed twist to this suit, so I thought of pairing my anarkali with my sharara. I think both colors go really well with each other. This suit color gives you liberty to pair any color dupatta with it. However, I feel this coffee shade is adding char chand to my look. Do you reckon? If you get a choice to pick one of the suits, which one would you pick? Number 1 or number 2? Do let me know in the comment section below. Esdomera offer lifetime warranty for the stone and they promise that if it gets cloudy, dark or scratched, they will send me a new one for free. They offer 30 days money back guarantee policy. Customers can return it within 30 days since they received the ring if they are not happy with the item, which is a trustworthy online jeweler. And most important, it is almost in perfect clarity and excellent brilliance for an amazing price. I compared it with the Forever one and found that Esdomera Moissanite is more clear and affordable. And that brings us to the end of today's video. I hope you guys found it useful. If you did, please hit the like button and share your feedback in the comment section below. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so by clicking on the subscribe button and the bell icon next to it. I see you guys in my next video. Till then, keep smiling and take it easy. Bye!